If you want to open PDF files with Adobe Reader in Google Chrome, this quick tutorial will show you how to enable the Adobe Acrobat extension the right way. This is a simple setup that can make viewing, saving, and working with PDFs much easier right inside your browser. Before we begin, make sure your Chrome browser is updated to the latest version for the best results. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. From the drop-down, move your cursor over Extensions, then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will open the official Chrome Web Store where you can find browser add-ons and tools. In the search bar, type Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you look for the official Adobe extension, not a similar-looking third-party add-on. When you see Adobe Acrobat in the results, click on it to open the extension page. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show you a confirmation window asking for permission to install the extension. Click Add Extension to continue. After that, Chrome will automatically install the Adobe Acrobat extension for you. Once it is installed, you can use it to improve how PDFs open and work in Chrome. In many cases, this helps you manage PDF files more efficiently without switching between multiple apps. And that's it. You've now enabled Adobe Reader support in Google Chrome by installing the Adobe Acrobat extension. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.